Hello friends, today we will discuss about isomerism. Isomerism is very important term for 11, 12, NEET, CET, also part of a competitive exam. Now discuss about isomerism in organic compound. Isomerism, the compounds having the same molecular formula but different physical or chemical properties or both. This phenomenon is called isomerism. Isomerism classified in two types. Main two types: structural isomerism, stereoisomerism. Today we will discuss about this structural isomerism. The isomers having same molecular formula but different in the skeleton, different in the structure, these are called as structural isomerism. Now discuss one by one structural isomerism. In isomerism or nuclear isomerism, also called as a skeleton isomerism, in which same molecular formula but different carbon skeleton or different in the nature of carbon chain, that is straight chain or branched chain. Example for this: N-pentane, isopentane, neopentane. In N-pentane, straight chain of the carbon atom here present. In isopentane, branched chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are in straight chain and this in branched. Here, branches, this is a chain. Here means chain, skeleton of the carbon here chain. Here all this carbon straight chain, here branch, and here number of branches are here present. Observe here same molecular formula, that is C5H12. In this N-pentane C5H12, here also isopentane C5H12. Here in this neopentane C5H12, means same molecular formula but different in skeleton, different in a chain. Therefore, these isomers are called as a chain isomer. Second, position isomerism, in which same molecular formula but different in the position of substituent atom or groups or an unsaturated linkage in the same carbon chain. These are called as position isomers of each other. Example: propane 1-ol and propane 2-ol. These are the position isomers of each other. Here, straight chain, this OH group attached to first carbon atom, and here this OH group, hydroxyl group, attached to the second carbon atom. Means position of this hydroxy group is here changed. Therefore, these are isomers are called as a position isomers of each other, having the same molecular formula C3H7OH. Having same molecular formula C3H7OH. Another example, second example, but 1-ene and but 2-ene. Here unsaturated linkage here change, double bond linkage here change. Therefore, these are also called as a position isomer, having same molecular formula. You observe these both having same molecular formula C4H8. One another example for aromatic compound: orthoxylene, paraxylene, metaxylene, and ethylbenzene. These are the position isomers of each other. Change the position of the substituted the CH3 group change, and therefore known as the position isomers of each other. Third, ring chain isomerism. In this ring chain isomerism, due to difference in a mode of linkage of carbon atoms and isomers, may have either open chain or closed chain structure. Example for this: propene and cyclopropane. These are the ring chain isomerism. Propene open chain here, and cyclopropane, this is a closed chain, having same molecular formula C3H6. Therefore, these are known as ring chain isomers of each other. Fourth, functional isomerism. This type of isomerism is due to different in the nature of functional group in the isomers. Therefore, these are known as a functional isomers of each other. Some examples are here discussed. Number of functional isomers, that is dienes, alkynes. These are the functional isomers of each other. Alcohols and ether, these are also functional isomers of each other. Discuss one by one. First, dienes and alkynes, these are the functional isomers of each other. Example for this, buta 1,3-diene and buta 2-ine. These are the functional isomers of each other. Now discuss the structure for this. Both having same molecular formula, that is C4H6. This is a molecular formula for this. Same molecular formula but different their functional group. Here alkene acts as a functional group, here alkyne acts as a functional group, means dienes, and here alkynes. Dienes and alkynes are the functional isomers of each other. Another, second, alcohols and ethers. Alcohols and ethers are also functional isomers of each other. Example for this, CH3CH2OH, ethyl alcohol, and CH3OCH3 dimethyl ether. These are the functional isomers of each other. Here functional group OH and here ether functional group. Therefore, alcohols and ethers are functional isomers of each other. Molecular formula is the same, C2H6O. Third, aldehydes and ketones. These are also functional isomers of each other. Example for this, CH3CH2CHO, that is a propanol. CH3COCH3 propanone. These are the functional isomers. Here aldehyde group CHO and here ketonic group CO having same molecular formula C3H6O. Also one isomer here form allyl alcohol, that is CH2 double bond CH CH2OH, name for this allyl alcohol. This is also functional isomers for the same molecular formula, allyl alcohol, propanone and propanol. Fifth, carboxylic acids and ester. Propanoic acid and methyl acetate, these are the functional isomers of each other. Here CH3CH2COH, propanoic acid, carboxylic acid here functional group, and here ester is a functional group. These are the functional isomers of each other because molecular formula of these both same, C3H6O2. Next, primary, secondary and tertiary amine. These are also functional isomers of each other because primary means NH2 group, secondary means NH group, and tertiary means nitrogen N group. These are means here in this N-propylamine NH2, this is a primary amine. Here NH secondary amine functional group, and this N here tertiary amine functional group. N-propylamine, methylethanamine and trimethylamine, these are the functional isomers of each other because having the same molecular formula C3H9N. Therefore, these are also functional isomers of each other. Sixth, nitroalkanes and alkyl nitrides, these are also functional isomers of each other. You know, nitro group means NO2 group and nitride group means ONO group. Here alkyl groups are both are same, NO2 and ONO, nitride and nitro. Therefore, these are the functional isomers of each other. Seventh, cyanides and isocyanides. These are also functional isomers of each other. You know, cyanide R triple bond N, C triple bond N, and isocyanide R N. These are the functional isomers of each other. Cyanides and isocyanides are functional isomers of each other. Alcohols and phenols also functional isomers of each other. One example for here. Benzyl alcohol and orthocrysols. These are functional isomers of each other having same molecular formula. C7H8O. This is the alcoholic group and this is phenolic group. Therefore, alcohols and phenols also functional isomers of each other. Next type isomerism, metamerism. It is due to different in nature of alkyl groups attached to the same functional group. These are known as metamers of each other, and this phenomenon known as metamerism. For ether, example, in ether, methyl propyl ether and diethyl ether. These are the metamers of each other because here functional group is ether group O bond. Arrange different groups, alkyl groups attached here. Here CH3, here C3H7, here C2H5. Therefore, these are the metamers of each other having same molecular formula C4H10O. 6. Tautomerism, a phenomenon in which a single compounds exist in two radially interconvertible structures that differ the relative position of at least one atomic nucleus, generally hydrogen. Here, keto-enol tautomerism means only change hydrogen atom change their position and formation of tautomerism, keto-enol tautomerism. Here, ketonic group, one hydrogen from this CH3 goes towards the oxygen and formation of this enol group. Here OH double bond CH2. This is a keto-enol tautomerism. Another example for this, here diketone group here present. Here one hydrogen from this carbon goes towards here and formation of this enolic group. Therefore, this is a keto-enol tautomerism. These are the types of structural isomerism. You understand all these types of the structural isomerism. Hope you like the video. Subscribe it. Thank you.